In the world of tech, everything moves at lightning speed. But what about the way we learn? What happens when our training just can't keep up? Today, we're going to dive into why technical training and certifications so often feel, well, stuck in the past. And more importantly, we'll look at what it takes to build a system that's actually ready for the future.
So let me start with a question, and I bet I know the answer for a lot of you. Have you ever signed up for a course, you're all excited to learn the latest and greatest, only to find out the material is already a version or two behind? Yeah, it's super frustrating, and it points to a much bigger problem. This isn't just a small thing. It's a huge systemic issue. We're calling it the outdated training problem. And the challenge of keeping educational content current? It's a massive hurdle, not just for learners, but for the companies that are counting on those skills.
So what's really going on here? What's the root cause? Well, it's something called the training courseware development cycle. Just think of it like an old-school assembly line for building courses. It involves creation, then a bunch of technical reviews, editorial passes, and then finally publication. It's a process that can drag on for months.
And the fallout from that delay? It's actually pretty serious. For students, it's a total disservice, right? You're putting in the time to learn stuff that's already obsolete. But for organizations, it's a real risk. Imagine having certified professionals whose key knowledge just doesn't apply anymore. In some fields, that can be flat out dangerous. Okay, so if you thought that normal training cycle was slow, just wait. The world of industry certifications takes this whole problem and puts it on steroids. The stakes are way higher, and believe me, the process is way more complex. Just get a load of this process. It all starts with something called a job task analysis, just to figure out what skills are even needed. From there, they create an exam blueprint. Then they have to write every single question. And each one of those questions has to go through this intense review to be considered legally defensible, which basically means they have to prove it's fair, clear, and tied directly to that blueprint.
And when you add all those careful, meticulous steps together, what do you get? You're talking about a timeline of 12 months, or more, a full year. In fields like cloud or security or AI, a year is an eternity. And this is where things get really crazy. It creates this paradox where by the time a new certification finally hits the market, the technology it's supposed to cover might have already changed in a major way. The very thing you're being tested on could be partially obsolete right from day one.
But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. It is possible to break the cycle. So let's pivot. Let's talk less about the problem and more about the solution. Let's reimagine a faster, smarter way to do all this.
Just ask this one simple question. What if we could take that development timeline and shrink it from months down to just hours or days? What would that make possible for you, for me, for entire organizations?
So what would that perfect solution even look like? Well, for starters, the content would have to be always current. And it would need to be super relevant to your actual job. It should be engaging, easy to update on the fly, and it has to be able to scale up for a global workforce. And that vision, it's not just some dream. Let's look at one company that's working to make it a reality right now. Virtualization Options LLC. They're a great example of this modern approach. So they're based in Colorado, and they are a technology research, education, and advisory organization. And they were pretty much founded to tackle the exact problems we've been talking about.
The company's founder and chief technologist is Bob Slovic. And as you can see from this quote, he's not some outsider looking in. He has lived and breathed this problem from the inside for decades.
And his experience is just incredibly deep. Seriously, he's been involved in just about every single part of this process. A senior technical trainer, a courseware developer, a virtual lab designer, and now an AI researcher. He knows exactly where all the pain points are because he's felt them all himself.
So how are they doing it? What's the secret sauce? Their approach is to combine access to top-tier research with some really advanced AI and content development tools. And that combo lets them just crush the time between development, review, and release down to a tiny fraction of what it used to be.
So, what does this whole new model mean for you? Well, it opens up a real path to lifelong learning, one that lets your skills evolve at the same speed as the technology you use every day.
And you can check this out for yourself. Just go to www.bobslovic.com. That's your gateway to the Virtualization Options LLC lifelong learning portal.
And this portal is seriously impressive. We're talking a library with hundreds of courses already, and they're posting new material every single week.
It covers a huge range of tech and even non-tech subjects. And maybe the best part? It's all freely available.
Now, for bigger organizations that have really specific needs, they also do custom solutions. They can rapidly develop and prototype content to solve unique company challenges. You can just contact Bob Slovic directly at this email address to learn more.
So, we'll end by turning the question back to you. After all this, take a second and think about your own team or your own company. Is your training really keeping up with the pace of change, or is it falling behind? Because the tools to stay current are out there, and the time to modernize is right now.